Good day, children. Our topic for today is all about secondary colors. Review topic for our past lesson, children, the primary colors. First, the red, the blue, and the yellow. So again, what are the primary colors? The red, the blue, and the yellow. Very good, children. The blue color plus the yellow color equals green. So when we mix the blue color and the yellow color equals what again, children? It will become color green. Very good. So let us see the things that are color green. First, worm. Say it again. Worm. Leaf. Say it again. Leaf. Bell pepper. Say it again. Bell pepper. Green apple. Say it again. Green apple. Green crayon. Say it again. Green crayon. Tennis ball. Say it again. Tennis ball. Watermelon. Say it again. Watermelon. And the last, avocado. Say it again. Avocado. So all of these things are color green. Very good. We have the red plus the blue equals, when we mix the red and the blue, equals violet or purple. So the red and the blue, when we mix together, it will turn into violet. So let us see the things that are color violet. First, eggplant. Say it again. Eggplant. Violet crayon. Say it again. Violet crayon. Balloon. Say it again. Balloon. Flower. Say it again. Flower. Grapes. Say it again. Grapes. Butterfly. Say it again. Butterfly. Mangosteen. Say it again. Mangosteen. And the last, bag. Say it again. Bag. So all of these things are color violet or purple. Next, the red plus the yellow. When we mix the red and the yellow equals, it will turn into orange. Very good. Again, when the red and the yellow, when we mix together, it will become orange. So let us see the things that are color orange. First, carrot. Say it again. Carrot. Orange. Say it again. Orange. Flower. Say it again. Flower. Orange crayon. Say it again. Orange crayon. Maple leaf. Say it again. Maple leaf. Ball. Say it again. Ball. Starfish. Say it again. Starfish. And the last, goldfish. Say it again. Goldfish. So all of these things are in color orange. Activity time. Match the pictures according to its color. So we have the green, the violet, and the orange. Now, can you see now the different colors of the objects? Now we're going to answer. Let's start. First, for the green, we have the worm, the avocado, tennis ball, bell pepper, and the last, Watermelon. Very good. Did you get it all, children? Very good. Now, let's go for the violet or the purple. First, we have the grapes, eggplant, bag, balloon, and the last one, the flower. Did you get it all, children? Very good. So let's go now for the orange or for the color orange. First, the carrot, basketball ball or the ball, orange, starfish, and the last one, the goldfish. So did you get it all, children? Very good. So what are the secondary colors, children? So that is green, violet, and the last one, the orange. Very good. Again, what are the secondary colors? We have the green, the violet or the purple, and the orange. Very good. So how many secondary colors do we have? We have 1, 2, and 3 secondary colors. Very good. What did we learn for today, children? So we learned for today is all about the secondary colors. Very good. Thank you for listening, children. Remember, learning is fun. If you're still new to my channel, please click the subscribe button together with the bell button to be updated for new knowledge and ideas. Till next time. Bye-bye.